Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to all my boys for attending the class once again. So, we will continue reading of the chapter, that is parts of a plant and their functions. Take out your environmental studies book and refer to page number 121 and listen carefully as I read the chapter. In this portion, we will study about flower. Let's begin reading. Flower. Flowers are the reproductive part of the plant. They develop into fruits which stores seeds in them. Flowers of different plants differ in shape, size, and colors. A flower has four parts: sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels. Sepals are generally green in color and protect other parts in bud stage. Petals are colorful part of the flower. They attract the insects which help in pollination. Look carefully at the picture that is shown where different parts of flower are being predicted. First one is pistil, stamen, petal, stem, leaf. Stamen is the male reproductive part. It has long filament with an lobe-shaped anther on its top. The anther produces pollen grains. Carpel or pistil is the female part of the flower. It is usually located in the center of the flower and has three parts: the stigma, style, and ovary. The stigma is the sticky knob at the top of the pistil. It is attached to the long tube-like structure called style. The style leads to the ovary that contains the female egg cells called ovules. Transfer of pollen from anthers to stigma is known as pollination. When this transfer is within the same flower, it is called self-pollination, and when it is from one flower to other, it is called cross-pollination. Wind, water, insects, and birds help in pollination. Look at the given picture carefully. I will be explaining all these parts in a flower section. Look at this picture carefully. Type 1 shows self-pollination. It takes place when the transfer is happening into the same flower. Type 2 shows cross-pollination. You can see it into the picture. The pollen from one flower goes to the second flower. So this is known as cross-pollination. During the process of fertilization, pollen grains lands on the stigma. A tube grows down the style and enters the ovary. Gametes travel down the tube and join with the ovule. This is called fertilization. The fertilized ovule becomes the seed and the ovary becomes the fruit. Thank you, boys, for being a part of this audio-visual aid. I hope this was quite helpful for you to understand the portion of flower. Once again, thank you very much. Take very good care of yourself till we meet again.